Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for all the comments on the last video. I feel like you guys like when my husband is on my channel. Are you guys tired of seeing my face? Oh my god, I'm just responding to the comments and the comments are hilarious. Let me show you guys. So these are the comments and you know, just need to see that if you like, love things, you like husband and wife things. God, I'm so tired today. I'm just so tired. It's a Saturday and I don't know, I've not really been able to get much done. It's just me chilling and surfing the net. Yeah. So I want to show you guys the chair that I bought for makeup purposes in my house and for mobile makeup. So I thought that this would be easy for me to move around, but it's really heavy. I can't, so I'm thinking of turning it. I got it from Amazon, but it's very heavy and I can't carry this if I'm going for a makeup job, so I have to literally return it. So yeah, let me show you guys the flower that I got today. I put it in my vase though. Yeah, so it's date night today and we almost, oops, the flowers are shedding. It's date night today and we're not going out we're not going anywhere. We're just going to do something in the house. So you want to pick a call? Oh, yeah, I'll pick. So it's date night today, but we just want to see a movie in the house. I just want to light candles, put like duvet around, order something in, and yeah, it's already 8 p.m. It's quite late, but we can still serve it like the night. So, and then I'll probably like purchase a movie on Amazon Prime. Not every time date night go out and eat. Make do with what you have, and just try to be happy. Okay, so let's get the living room in the mood for Netflix and chill. Everyone, you give me all you need. Everyone, you need. Everyone, make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all, make I give you all you need. Baby, yeah. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you beyond my body. We're waiting for the movie we're going to play Ludo. I'm going to beat him because I always do every single time.
Lol. There was a draw.
We draw. You see how much in your house?
Good game.
Which good?
Where's the one in my
I
house?
always beat you. I always beat
you. You won this time. I allowed you to win actually.
Yeah, I know.
That's how we
Our food has come, guys, just as we were about to do. So our food has come. We ordered pasta, nothing fancy. We're going to pick a movie now. We're seeing Ant-Man and the Wasp. I think it was showing in the cinema some few months ago. But it's on Amazon Prime now. So we're going to watch that. Get the movie. Dune. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody.
Why, it's my house too. Has the court been notified? Yeah, your friends in the court.
Hi guys, so I'm using my camera to vlog. I don't know what's wrong with my memory card. My memory card is full, but it's telling me that there's no space, so I have to work on that. However, I have a couple of things to do today. I want to do my nails. I also want to see a friend, and I have like a hangout later this evening. I also have to pick the food, so it's a lot of walking up and down. So yeah, let's go. Grocery time. Blessing time. Bye. Such a babe. Such a fine. Sorry, don't mind me. I'm hyping myself. Such a fine babe. So guys, I'm here. I'm in Chichi's house. Hello everyone. My name is Chidima Afam. And we're here for the girls night out. I mean girls evening. Girls games night.
And so I was like, okay. I was like, we've already decided to do this thing, so
I don't even think of it. I don't know of any time that we can do it again because we've moved these things since like last year.
I was like,
everybody see
Mrs. Chidima. I'm not doing it again.
Mrs. Chidima. Hi, my name is Mrs. Fab. Sorry, Mrs. Chidima Faponda.
Hi.
Hello everyone. My name is Chidima Afam.
That's not how I sound. That is not me. That is not me. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, introduce yourself. How do you sound?
Hi, loves. Welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
If this is your first time here.
No. I know what you're saying. Hi, besties.
I
really need my now, yeah. If it wasn't for the money, cars, moves, style, jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, yes, would you still want me? Mama, would you still call me? Still call me? You be loving me, loving you.
Is Chidima or not?
For the money, cars, moves, style, jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Mama, would you still call me? Still call me? You be loving me, loving you. I really need my love. I really need them to bring my love. I really need your love. I need to bring my mouth. I really need your love. I really need them to bring my love. I really.
You see pay me and I cry, I'll promote. I'm done for this, guys. If everybody just when I cry. Come on.
This one has done.
The alternative. You will use God, watch your back. Guys, are we going to wait till like 2:30 to start for game of?
I'm leaving my ticket. No, let's just start. So come and join us. Is there a way?
Who are we expecting again? Umi, Blessing, and Tina. Look like a soldier. That's my biggie I buy. I need to.
Oh, nice.
Okay guys, what we're going to do, you're going to stop making your way around. You want to head over.
Yeah,
guys, as the manager was saying, we only have a limited amount of time.
I think it's for sure.
Set me free, freer than the open mind, golden in the eyes and freer than the ocean time. Yeah, you set me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind.
So I was trying to hang my phone yesterday. I just noticed that this had broken and I was so upset because it's not even up to 6 months. I got it in January, I think ending of January, so it's not even up to 5 months actually. and it's already broken. So again, the tripod for my camera is really small. So if I want to, let's say, do a sit down video, I have to look for how to stack stuff. So I'm like, no, we can't be doing this in 2023. So I got a tripod, and I'm going to also try to see if it really works with my phone, because that's what I'm really particular about. One that can work with my phone and also work with my camera. I guess for phone, you can just screw on this. I don't know if I'm making sense, but my phone, and you also, like, I can film. Okay, what's going on? Okay, I can put it in place. Okay, that makes sense. So I can turn it. Yay! This makes so much sense. I'm so happy. I think I really like equipment, guys. So yeah, I really love this, and see how it rolls. So I can, so if I want to, this is what this thing is for. So I can roll it like this up or roll it like this down. So that actually makes sense. So it has like a thing for my phone. Because I'm recording with my camera, I'd have shown you guys, but this feels like what I really want. The only thing is it might not be so portable, but it has a bag, so that's good. I'm thinking of filming a video I'm thinking of doing like a how-to video. So for example, I was filming on my phone for like 2 years, so I think I qualify to share like my experience. So I want to share how my setup, my setup has changed over time based on my environment. But if I was to film on my phone now, I'll show you guys what my setup is going to look like, how I edit, how I get my elements and things like that. So I'm thinking of doing that video. It might be helpful for people that are thinking of starting their own YouTube channel. Excuse me. So I'm really happy with my purchase. I just really hope. So there was one that I wanted to get. See this, like a woof air. So there's something very similar to this one that I saw on Amazon, but I found out that the tripod was very slim. That was what somebody complained about. I'm like, you know what, and it was like 13 pounds less. So I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to take chances because it's cheaper. I'd rather buy something that would last for a long time than buy something inferior that I would lose money and still have to replace again. So I think that's one thing I'm learning with this whole buying products on. Just buy something that you know would give you value from the get-go, because you get to save more money that way than buying and replacing stuff. So I'm very happy with my purchase. I just want to show you guys what my new tripod looks like. Yeah, I also got another thing on Amazon. I have like a makeup job on Saturday, and I'm also, my friend is doing like, she's trying to launch her products in London here, so I have to like I'm directing the styling and I'm also doing the makeup. So I got this brush cleanser to be able to move very fast so that I do not cross-contaminate products on my brush from one face to the other. I'm very particular about that. So once I'm done with a particular person, I just spray my brushes and I clean them thoroughly. And once I'm done with any makeup job, I wash my brushes immediately once I'm back. So because I'm going to be doing like on 3 people, I won't have like that time to wash my brushes and allow it dry for like a particular day. So this brush cleanser would work. I also want to even test it to see how it really works. I have, hey guys, who is this person? So I'm going to spray my makeup brush now, just even to test. So I think there's foundation on this, so I'm going to spray, and I'm going to, ooh, wow, this is amazing. And I like it because it has this alcohol thing, so that actually like sterilizes it as well because of the alcohol content on it. See guys, did you see before and after? Wow. I'm going to just continue again, and it dries like almost immediately. This is amazing. See how much dirt I'm getting out of it. And debts are still coming out. See my brush now. I just need to spray more, but can you see how it's almost very clean and it dries almost immediately? I'm so happy. I wanted to get like the small version first, but now that I've tested it, once I've run out of this, I'm definitely replacing it. And it's dry already. It just gives it that, you know, that alcohol feel of something that's evaporating. That's the only feel I can get on my brush, but this is good to use. It smells like methylated spirit actually, so it kind of also sterilizes the brush and makes it very fit for you to use on another person. So this is really good. I recommend. If you want to know what the product is, let me know in the comment section. But I'm so happy with my purchase, guys. Am I the only one? I really like when I buy something and I get value for money. Oh gosh, I hate when I buy something and I can't use it. It's useless. I really don't like it at all. I know it makes me so unhappy. It makes me so sad. It just annoys me. But I like when I buy something that is very functional and it actually achieves the purpose for which I bought it for. It makes me very happy. If you're like that, let me know in the comment section. So I'm really happy about my purchases, my tripod and my brush cleanser. See, it's the little things that make me happy really. Face, like I'm breaking out badly. There's something here. Personally, I think that, sorry, I'm not looking at the camera because I'm looking at the mirror. Personally, since we went for that paintballing, the helmet that we had to wear on our head, I think my face just started scratching me after. Like, maybe it was the sweat. First of all, I had to give it up to soldiers because wearing that helmet, there were times I had to take it out for air and the guy would be like, no, bring down your helmet, don't remove it, because if they fire your eye with bullets, that's the end. They'll take out your eyes, they'll take out your teeth. So we literally had to protect our head at all times, and god, it was so uncomfortable because it was hot. I couldn't really breathe, my face was scratching me. Now like I've been breaking out. Anywho, my friend is coming to visit. Shayo is coming to, I'm not saying Shayo. So Shayo and I went to university together, and then we met in, I went to OAU, by the way. I know I've said that like 1 million times on this channel if you've been following me for a very long time. So we're going to see today. She was supposed to come for my wedding, but she couldn't come because of this. I think, I don't even know what happened, but she just couldn't come. She just couldn't make it, sadly. And she's here, and then she decided to come and see me, and I'm just so happy. I'm thinking of baking, so we might probably bake banana bread together or something, just do something fun together and catch up. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that update. You guys, my friend got me top. I already told them that you're coming anyway. I'm going to do an introduction that we're ready to eat together. Oh, thank you so much. I wish this is actually your style. This has been your style since forever. Makeup chair, you have arrived. What's this one? Okay, I think like this. Okay,
I guess it will be difficult to have a good light because it should be possible, but is this better than the wooden one?
To make banana bread. I've made banana bread on my channel before anyway. Do we actually need milk? Because all the people I've seen, they don't usually put milk.
They actually don't, but I use, like, you know how when milk just makes something, what's the word?
Okay. Do we need like hand mixer? I think we need to mix.
So, what do you think?
Yeah, I think that's good.
I mean, we could always add more if we see that.
Yeah. This is, I really do not know if we even need more flour or more banana for banana bread. I just always freestyle.
2 things and that's it.
Guys, I just finished filming for Instagram and TikTok and YouTube shorts. So this makeup that I have, I've removed my lashes, by the way. I put on this makeup for Instagram. I wanted to create content for that. Then I now said that, okay, let me sit down. Let me sit down small. I'll give you the gist. I now said that, okay, let me create content. So I wanted to show you guys my setup, how to film with your phone, all of those things. And trust me, I just got very tired. Like, I'm so tired. People that are content creators are one arm and one leg for them. Like, I mean full-time, proper, not, you know, upcoming creators like us. I'll put a batch film how many content in a day. See, it's just stressful. Because for this particular tutorial that I want to do, this is the first time I'm doing it, so I'm struggling, but I want to push myself to do it, and I want to show people how to do it. And I have to alternate between 2 devices, so it's stressful. Then I also have to talk through the tutorial, so I have to record it, export it to another software, then talk through it, then add it up. It's just a lot. It's just a whole lot, and I'm not cut out for that right now, so I am going to have to push that video to another day. But I have to do that video because I just want to do something different that I have not done before on this channel. So yeah, by the way, if you think that video will be helpful to you, if you're a new YouTuber and you're trying to navigate YouTube, you want to know what software that I use, my hacks and things like that to editing content better, let me know. But for now, I was going to eat because I am very hungry. I did laundry, so I want to pack up my clothes. Guys, my food is here. Let me show you guys their puff puff. It's so nice. Like, this puff puff is so good. Like, you know that it's so good. They've actually recently increased the price by about 60 pence. They're really good. I should actually make maybe, I have chicken wings, maybe pepper chicken wings and Chapman. I will see. I have Chapman recipe. I just need to go and get like the soda downstairs. I'm so hungry. See you guys later. I'm going to eat. Hey guys, so I just wanted to do makeup for someone. I'm back. I'll probably insert a clip. I didn't vlog because I didn't take my camera, so I didn't vlog it. But I want to make, sorry, this whole area is actually very messy. I want to make peppered chicken wings and Chapman. I wanted to make it yesterday, but I'm not the only one. Sorry, my husband is watching match in the background, so forgive the noise. So I'm not the only one that cleans as in washing, as in cooking, right? As I'm literally always cleaning while cooking. Let me bring down this so that you can see what I'm making. So I'm just sauteing the onions because I really like onions, and then I have like roughly chopped pepper, and I have curry, so I'm just going to mix that now because I want to have a platter as I'm eating this. I've never started already. I'm going to slowly steam this so that it doesn't burn before I turn in the chicken wings. It's not going to be a lot. Three. So 3 for myself, 3 for my husband. I made this last week, so I'm just going to put this in the oven. I've not made the Chapman yet. I think I've done that. I've done Chapman on this channel before, so I'm not going to repeat it. I'll probably link a video that I did it, or maybe show you guys. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm going to let this simmer for a bit. And see, I always have blended curry, always, because it just makes it easy to be able to put stuff together really quickly. If you want to make noodles, if you want to make pasta, if you want to make yam and egg, jollof rice, like it just comes in very, very handy. I'm just going to use little salt and little pepper. Tomorrow I have to be I'm stylist on set. So funny. Stylist and makeup artist on set. My friend is launching a clothing line, and she wants us to be there. So we have to be there. So I always have these chopped vegetables as well. I have the one that is diced like this. I have the one that is thinly chopped because, yeah, just for color, for flavor, and the peppers are sweet. So these are things that you most likely always find in my fridge. Chopped peppers, chopped bell peppers, and blended puree. You most likely always see it in my fridge. I feel like this is going to be very, very hot. Like, when I say hot, like very spicy and really hot. I hope I don't cry when I go to the toilet tomorrow. What? Woo! It's burning my mouth. I'm going to go and buy I'm going to go and buy my ingredients for Chapman. Yeah, and then make my Chapman and just chill. This is my play area for today. I'm at home. No, you're not sure. I'm actually blocking you with my body, my entire body actually. So we're here for the shoot. I'm waiting for the meals. Let me show you guys what my full outfit looks like. Be able to see me because I'm a shorty alawa. It's giving summer vibes. Why is that like a gentle bit? I'm not going to ask this. Like, why is that this? Let me get. She's among me, don't disturb me. Why are you hungry? Oh, tell me. You want to microwave? I'm not eating. I'm not eating. Is this spinach that you bought for me that we used to use to? I don't know. I don't think so. It doesn't look like it. Where did you find? My God. Ah, yeah, I'm genuinely by you. I'm not able to sponsor these shoots again in 2 weeks' time. When I say sponsor, like all the logistics. So for Camilla and just for everybody. I'll do it again. Yes. Just no. Hello. Do I know you? Who you told them anyway? She's not. I'm a party, you're not a party. You don't look like a party. She's my face, she's my makeup. I'm on my level. This is how you glory talks.